In Conshohocken, where charming neighborhoods blend historic character with modern living, first impressions matter, especially when it comes to your home. One of the simplest yet most powerful upgrades you can make is replacing your front door. While it may seem like a small change, a new front door can significantly boost your home's value, enhance curb appeal, and improve everyday comfort. Curb appeal that instantly pays off your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. In a walkable town like Conshohocken, where homes are often close together and street-facing, a worn or outdated door can stand out for the wrong reasons. A new front door creates an immediate visual upgrade, giving your home a fresh, well-maintained appearance. Potential buyers often form opinions within seconds. A stylish, solid front door sends a clear message that the home has been cared for, making buyers more eager to see what's inside, and more willing to pay a premium. Increased perceived and actual home value. A new front door doesn't just look valuable, it often delivers one of the highest returns on investment among home improvements. Buyers recognize the importance of security, energy efficiency, and durability. When they see a modern door already installed, it removes one more future expense from their checklist. In competitive real estate markets like Conshohocken, these small advantages can make a big difference. Homes with updated exterior features tend to sell faster and closer to asking price, especially when the improvement is both visible and functional. Energy efficiency buyers appreciate older doors often allow drafts, moisture, and heat loss, issues today's buyers are keen to avoid. Modern front doors are designed with insulation, tight seals, and advanced materials that help regulate indoor temperatures. An energy-efficient front door can lower heating and cooling costs, which is especially appealing during Pennsylvania's cold winters and humid summers. Even if buyers don't see utility bills, they value knowing the home is built for comfort and efficiency. Improved security builds confidence. Security is a major factor for homeowners and buyers alike. New front doors typically feature reinforced frames, stronger materials, and advanced locking systems. This added protection increases peace of mind and makes your home more attractive to families, professionals, and retirees moving into the area. A secure, solid door doesn't just protect, it reassures. That sense of safety can strongly influence how buyers feel about the home overall. Style that matches. Conshohocken homes. From traditional colonials to updated townhomes, Conshohocken homes come in many styles. Today's front doors offer countless design options, including classic wood looks, sleek modern finishes, decorative glass, and bold colors. Choosing a door that complements your home's architecture enhances its character rather than overpowering it. A well-chosen design feels intentional and timeless, which adds long-term value rather than just short-term appeal. A small upgrade with a big impact. Compared to major renovations, replacing a front door is relatively quick and affordable. Yet the impact is immediate, both visually and functionally. Homeowners often enjoy the benefits right away, from smoother operation to better insulation, while also knowing they've made a smart investment. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to improve your home, a new front door is a practical upgrade that delivers lasting value. Final thoughts. In Conshohocken, where charm, comfort, and quality matter, a new front door can be a game-changing improvement. It enhances curb appeal, boosts energy efficiency, improves security, and increases overall home value, all while making a great first impression. Sometimes, the path to a more valuable home really does start at the front door.